He's non-compliant. He's trying to walk away.
Okay. Lock the door, okay? Thomas, back up, back up. Thomas, back up.
On your knees now. On your knees, or you're gonna get shot or tased. I believe you have a knife. I believe you have a knife. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now.
Get back, sir. Stay back. He has a knife. Get back. Get back.
No.
Get back.
Oh, God damn it.
Stay there. Stay there.
Yeah, you get your ass.
Stay there.
Knock it off.
Code 2. Call the code 2. Code 2.
Knock it off. Help him.
We need code 2. Okay. I don't want to leave you. Okay. Come on.
You ready?
Here now, for me.
Okay. Which way do you want to roll him? Onto your stomach.
Stop resisting.
Onto your stomach.
Resisting, I'm sick.
Custody.
Onto your stomach.
Ow. Ow.
Roll over.
Onto your stomach. Flatten your legs.
Stop resisting. I'm not resisting.
Onto your stomach.
Oh, I'm bleeding.
Stop resisting.